This is our track lighting extension rod, and this is designed to lower your track head individually from your track lighting system on the ceiling. This is an individual way of lowering one head at a time. We do have a grip lock system which drops the entire track, and if you're looking to do a lot of these, it's more cost effective to do the grip lock. But today we're going to talk about the extension rods. We get a lot of questions about these, and a lot of people have difficulty, and we're going to show you really how easy they are to use. And we're going to focus on right now the end where the light fixture goes in. And we have two light fixtures, and I want to show them to you. One of them I bought at Home Depot, and I'll show you the difference here in a minute. And this is our light fixture, and all of our connectors are the same and very similar to these. The difference is Home Depot has what's called a single circuit connector, and ours is a dual circuit connector. And I'll show you the difference in a minute, but I want to talk about the connector. Both of these will go into our extension rod, and they'll do it very simply if you simply follow the instructions. And the instructions are printed right on the rod, but some of you may not understand the verbiage here and the definitions, but I'm going to show you right now. So it says here on this little arrow to insert the track lighting fixture with the ground facing up. And that's the ground right there. Here, let me give you a better view of this ground. This is the ground, that's the neutral, and that's the hot. Ground, neutral, and hot. And this is the Home Depot fixture. I also want to point out that their white color is slightly different than ours. And you can see the difference, and that may or may not make a difference to you. Of course, we always recommend using our light fixtures. And let me show you the connector on ours. Very, very similar. There is a difference though. Again, here's the ground and the neutral. I'm going to tilt it up for you. Ground and neutral, and the hot is on the other side. Now I'm going to flip this over so you can see this hot, because this is set up for a dual circuit track or single circuit track. If the hot is in this position, which is pushed all the way down up against the light fixture, it's set up for this extension rod. If you bring this back up here, it's going to be set up for dual track. So make sure it's in the correct position before you try to put it in. So let's go back to the extension rod itself and how to get the light fixture in. Now we chose this light fixture from Home Depot because one of our customers was having trouble. And I want to show you how it goes into the extension rod. So again, here's the ground, and here's an arrow, and it talks about putting the ground in first, and then it talks about twisting the connector in this direction. So let's do it. Now I'm going to pull back on the little spring-loaded cover here. You should be able to see me doing that. I'm going to pull back. I'm going to put it in the extension. There it goes. Okay, I'm going to let go of it, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to twist this the direction of the arrow. I'm going to keep this cover back a little bit, and you can see it's going to turn, it's going to lock in place, and that's it. You never have to force it. It is snug, but if you're forcing it, there's a problem. To take it out, when you need to do that, I'm going to flip this over so you can see there's actually instructions on the other side, and there's an arrow, and it's telling you to pull the cover back and turn it in the direction of the arrow, and it'll come right out right there. So to put it in, follow the instructions, make sure the ground tab is right there, pull the little cover back, put it in the light fixture, keep it back, turn it, let it lock in place, and you're ready to go. If you force it and break it, you own it. Don't do that. And that's all that's to it. You're ready to go into your lighting track.
At Total Lighting Supply, we understand the importance of your time. Not everyone can be a lighting expert. We're not just about selling you light bulbs, light fixtures, and light components. We're also about helping you achieve amazing and successful lighting results in your space. We hope that our video series will assist you in achieving your lighting goals.